We were seeing the number of children who had been identified in child sexual abuse material skyrocket over the last 10 years, and it's over 16,000. But the number of victims who were actually seeking restitution in federal cases what hadn't breached 40. They have, like all federal crime victims, a right to restitution, but in practical terms, this meant case by case, over and over again, in districts all over the country. One victim in particular, her images have been found in over 21,000 investigations in the United States alone. Who should have to seek restitution 21,000 times? Like, that's absurd. It seemed fairly obvious that the process was just keeping victims away. I had the opportunity to work on what became the Amy, Vicki, and Andy Child Pornography Victim Assistance Act of 2018.
Mr. President, today I'm introducing legislation to help victims of child pornography, one of society's most heinous crimes.
Senator Orrin Hatch from Utah was the driver of every iteration of this legislation. We worked very closely with the House Judiciary Committee. We finally got the legislation signed December 7th, 2018. What this does is create an alternative where victims can get a one-time payment of defined monetary assistance. They don't have to go to court. They submit an application to the Justice Department. We will obtain a court order confirming that they're eligible for the fund, and they'll get a payment. There is no undoing what has happened to them, but this will help them get whatever tools they need to build a positive life for themselves. Work on this project began in 2009. To be sure, there were moments of deep frustration where it was one step forward and two steps sideways and three steps back. It was a real journey, and it's a highlight of my career, and that's what makes it meaningful that we finally got it done.